Hello and welcome to LunaView. I'm John, and today we're going to look at my stash. What I accumulated over, well, I guess 5 years. Yeah. Everything before that was either given away or built, so I never kept anything, so anything I accumulated was from then. So there's nothing extremely old or anything like that, but this is essentially what I have. Also, over there, I got 3 Chevelles. That Revell on the top, 69. I'm going to build that next. It's the next build. 64 pickup here is going to build something like that. This Nova. What are we doing? Oh yeah, I've got some wheels and rims to go on that for a build. And yeah, this is the collection. So we're going to answer a question that was presented to the modeling community on what's your oldest kit and your coolest kit. So my oldest kit is this fella right here. I picked that up there a couple months ago, actually. It's a 94 issue. And back in the day, I did build this, and I still have the engine, possibly the tires, but the rest I don't know where that went. And that's the oldest one I have. Followed close behind is this one I also picked up a couple months ago. One of the cars I did follow in the late 90s. So I did have this kit, and I have built the engine, but I've given away the rest of the kit some years ago for unknown reasons. This is not, I think it's 97, and yeah, that. And this is the only box I have, the kit that doesn't have all its parts and stuff, and it came without all its parts, so I've been raiding from this now and then. So that would be them kits that I would be at one point building. I don't think there's anybody here that's not going to be built. Yeah. But over here, we have a stash of kits that are the kits I would, give away to young people who are actually into the modeling and stuff like that and need a helping hand to get a kit or two. In the past year, I've gave away 6 kits. So there's that. And to trade too. This changes all the time because I'll trade kits to trade up and stuff like that. But yeah, I won't be building these kits. And in fact, one of them is not even a kit. It's that Batman die cast. And it has orange striping on it. And that didn't please me at all, so that's why it's over there. Thinking I might get a model kit on a trade someday from that. Who knows? But yeah, I pulled them all out, set them all up. That's what I have. Thanks very much for viewing my channel. I appreciate the interest of the late. Really surprised me. And I thank this modeling community for that. So, until next time, later.